How to change password on Brawl Stars. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can change our password on Brawl Stars. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's begin with the process on how we can change the password on Brawl Stars application. First of all, you may just download the Brawl Stars application. It is available on any of the app stores. After that, you may just log in into your account. And while logging in, you know that we need to enter our Supercell ID because Supercell ID is required in order to create a Brawl Stars account. So in order to change the password of Brawl Stars, we need to change the password of Supercell ID. So let's see how we can change the password of Supercell ID. So in order to change your Supercell ID password, you just need to go to supercell.com. After that, log in into your Supercell ID account and access the Supercell ID account through the official Supercell website or go through the mobile app of Supercell ID. After that, go to the security tab, navigate to the settings menu and select the security or account settings in the option. And you just need to update or create a new password. In the security tab, look for the password change or reset option. Enter your current password if prompted and then create a new and strong password. After that, follow the password security guidelines. Consider the tips provided in the search results, such as making your password at least 8 characters with longer, being better, stronger, using different kind of characters as well, and avoiding personal information like date of birth and address. Anyway, just save your changes. Once saved entered your new password, confirm and save your changes. After that, verify your account security. Double check that your account is now secured for the new password. And additional tips is that consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Avoid using the same password for the other websites and accounts, and periodically review and update your password to maintain your account security. So therefore, just follow the steps and guidelines and you'll be able to change your Supercell ID password along with Brawl Stars account as well. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to change your password on Brawl Stars very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.